Welcome to Groupie Campus Connect. Now, let's see how to create fees. To begin, select Accounting from the menu. Then, choose Fee Payment and click on the menu. Select Add or Edit Fees. Here, you can find various options for fees. Select Fee Particular and then Fee Heads. You can now add the number of fee types you require. Moving on, select Category to add different fee categories. Similarly, you can add fee concessions by selecting Fees Concession. Don't forget to enter your preferred fee receipt prefix. Additionally, input your school's bank details. If you wish to include a fee receipt header, go ahead and fill in the relevant details. Once done, click on Save. This process allows you to add multiple fee particulars. To assign fees to a specific class, select the desired class and add the fees accordingly. You also have the option to specify the number of installments, add fines, and provide concessions. Remember, the fee amount and installment amount should match. After providing all the necessary details, click on Save. To add the same fees for multiple classes, click on Copy and select the classes you want to include. Once you have made your selections, click on Submit. If you need to update any fees, click on the menu and select Add or Edit Fees. Make the necessary changes for the desired class. Ensure that the total fees and installment fees match. After providing all the necessary details, click on Save. Now, let's see how to pay fees. To begin, select Accounting from the menu. Then, choose Fee Payment. Next, select the desired class for which you want to pay fees. After that, select the student for whom the fees are being paid. Click on Pay to proceed. At this stage, you will have the option to enter any fine and concession amount if applicable. Once you have entered the fine and concession amount, enter the payable amount and select the mode of payment. After filling the necessary details, click on Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully paid the fees. To view the fees receipt, you can click on the Print button to take print of receipt. To check the daily collection report, click on the menu and select Daily Report. Here, you can find detailed information about the collection, including date-wise breakdowns.